Implementing proper SMTP logging and tracking is crucial for monitoring and maintaining email delivery. By tracking and logging SMTP activity, you can gain valuable insights into your email infrastructure, identify and troubleshoot delivery issues, and ensure the successful delivery of your emails to recipients. In this tutorial, we will explore the steps to implement proper SMTP logging and tracking. Step 1. Choose an SMTP server to begin. You need to select an SMTP server that offers robust logging and tracking capabilities. There are several options available, including open-source servers like Postfix and Exim, as well as commercial solutions like Microsoft Exchange and SendGrid. Choose a server that aligns with your requirements and has the necessary features for tracking SMTP activity. Step 2. Configure logging settings. Once you have selected an SMTP server, the next step is to configure the logging settings. Logging settings determine what information will be recorded in your log files. The level of detail you choose will depend on your specific monitoring needs and the resources available for log storage. To configure logging settings, access the server's configuration file, e.g., main.cf for Postfix, and locate the logging section. Within this section, you will have options to specify the log file location, log level, and log format. Make sure to enable the necessary logging options, such as capturing sender and recipient addresses, timestamps, and SMTP responses. Step 3. Enable SMTP tracking. In addition to logging, it is important to enable SMTP tracking to get real-time insights into email delivery. SMTP tracking allows you to monitor the progress of individual email messages as they traverse the email delivery pipeline. This enables you to detect any delays or issues and take appropriate actions. To enable SMTP tracking, you may need to install additional software or plugins depending on your SMTP server. For example, Postfix offers the capability to enable per-message logging, which can be done by configuring the "always_bcc" parameter to route a copy of each outgoing message to a specific email address. This allows you to track the email's progress and analyze delivery-related information. Step 4. Centralize log collection. To effectively monitor and analyze SMTP logs, it is recommended to centralize log collection. Centralizing logs simplifies log management, enables real-time monitoring, and facilitates analysis across multiple servers. There are various tools available for log centralization, such as Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, ElkStack, which provide a comprehensive log management solution. These tools allow you to ingest SMTP logs from multiple servers, store them in a centralized database, perform real-time searches, and generate detailed reports. Step 5. Analyze logs for delivery issues. Once you have implemented proper SMTP logging and tracking, you can start analyzing the logs to identify any delivery issues. Look for common indicators of delivery failure, such as bounce messages or rejected emails. Analyze the SMTP responses and error codes to pinpoint the cause of the failures. Using the centralized log management solution, you can search for specific email addresses, domains, or SMTP transactions to quickly isolate problematic areas. By identifying delivery issues, you can take appropriate actions, such as contacting the recipient's email provider to troubleshoot the issue or adjusting your email sending practices. Step 6. Regularly review and update logging configurations. SMTP logging and tracking requirements may evolve over time, so it is important to regularly review and update your logging configurations. As your email volume increases or new monitoring needs arise, you may need to adjust the log level, log retention period, or log format. Conduct periodic reviews of your logging configurations to ensure they align with your monitoring goals and best practices. Regularly analyze the logs for any patterns or anomalies that may indicate delivery issues or potential improvements in your email infrastructure. In conclusion, implementing proper SMTP logging and tracking is essential for monitoring and maintaining email delivery. By configuring logging settings, enabling SMTP tracking, centralizing log collection, and analyzing the logs, you can gain valuable insights into your email infrastructure and ensure the successful delivery of your emails to recipients. Mark complete.